In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy one item on Alibaba. If you've ever browsed Alibaba and thought it was only for bulk orders, good news, you can buy just one item, and today I'll walk you through the exact process from search to delivery. Start by going to alibaba.com or opening the Alibaba app. Log in or create a free account if you're new. Having your profile and shipping address saved helps suppliers quote accurate shipping and speeds up checkout. Next, search for products that allow single orders. Type what you're looking for into the search bar, then apply filters like ready to ship and low MOQ, which stands for minimum order quantity. You're looking for listings that say MOQ, one piece, or sample available. Adding keywords such as sample, one piece, or single item to your search can surface options that are immediate and easy to purchase without committing to a bulk quantity. Open a promising product listing and double-check the MOQ near the price. Make sure one piece is allowed for the specific variation you want, such as color or size. Also glance at shipping options and estimated delivery times, since these can vary by region and carrier. Before you buy, message the supplier. Click Chat Now or Contact Supplier and send a short note like, "Hi, I would like to buy one piece only. Is that okay?" Many sellers will agree to one unit even if the listing shows a higher MOQ. Use this chat to confirm availability, packaging details, and whether the item you want matches the photos and specs. If they agree, request a sample order. Ask the supplier to confirm the final price, the shipping cost to your address, and the estimated delivery time. If you're comparing shipping methods, clarify the difference between express and economy, and remember that customs or import taxes may apply in your country. When you're ready, place the order. Some listings have a Buy Now button for single units. If not, ask the supplier to create a custom order for one piece. Review the order page carefully to ensure the quantity is set to 1 and that trade assurance is enabled. Pay safely using trade assurance. You can typically use a credit or debit card, Alibaba Secure Payment, or PayPal with selected suppliers. Never pay outside Alibaba. Staying on platform protects your money and helps with refunds if something goes wrong. Finally, track and receive your item. Go to My Orders to follow the shipment. Inspect the product as soon as it arrives and keep photos or a quick unboxing video. If there's an issue,